to make same size. That's why I'm using this coin to get accurate alignment for the key. So I will take a picture, another one. Okay, now wait. This is the picture. I use this plastic board. I will use this cos tape to attach this board in my phone. Just let me open it. Okay, I attach this tape. That's why the plastic board can't move. I will use another tape. Okay, so I will use now a gel pen to outline the key layout. Okay, so I am now use a scissor to cut this plastic board. Done. So now I'm use a sandpaper to finish this plastic board edge. It will take some time. Okay, now it's ready. So you can see the door is locked. Now I'm putting this key inside the lock. Okay, now it's done. So make sure once again, yeah, it's full tight and door is still locked. So I'm just turning it little bit slowly, don't be hurt. Yeah, now it's open. See, for more update videos please like this video and subscribe our channel.